take a look at the experience that you can get at the Royal Botanical Garden in Peradeniya, right? Now, this is the time to visit Sri Lanka and enjoy the wonderful nature in Sri Lanka. What was your first impression?
Well, I'm from the Netherlands. My first impression is good. You know, the people are really friendly, and the environment is beautiful. The nature is beautiful. You know, traffic sometimes a little bit hard to go through, but anyways, it's a wonderful country.
What was the first impression when you came out from the airport? What do you think about Sri Lanka?
Well, we hadn't slept in like 24 hours. Yeah, very welcoming. People asking if we wanted. People were very friendly.
Yeah, definitely.
Very helpful.
What was your first impression when you visited Sri Lanka?
It was really good. No, we really enjoyed it.
Yeah, so we arrived into the airport. We went to Negombo, the first port, and we had a really nice day doing the city tour, seeing the churches.
First impression was is super busy and very noisy. The traffic is like wow, super. But after here, Dambula, this is like more. The countryside is like much more. Yeah.
So initially, what was your influence? All right, I'm going to Sri Lanka. What was your influence to travel to Sri Lanka?
Well, let's say social media and lots of friends of mine already been here, so they influenced me and my girlfriend to come here as well. You know, and it's nice to go somewhere outside Europe. You know, to a place where it's nice weather and the adventure, you know, and all this kind of stuff.
What was the reason that you decided to, I'm going to Sri Lanka? What was the fact that?
A bit of everything. We wanted to know a little bit more about the culture. We wanted to go and see the nature, really, mainly. Of course, like beautiful cities, but we were more interested into like coming up to the mountains, going to the jungle, and then do a bit of safari.
Like
but also,
everyone of our friends that have been have said like the people are so friendly and it's a really nice place to come and see and spend some time.
So initially, why did you decide, I'm going to Sri Lanka? What was the influence behind that?
I've always wanted to go to India, but we only had like a couple of weeks, and India feels like a massive place to go for a few weeks. But Sri Lanka feels like somewhere you can visit. You can see the whole island. You can see a lot of the island in sort of 2 or 3 weeks.
So what was the influence that initially you decide, I'm going to Sri Lanka? What was the influence behind that?
We have some friends here, so we are traveling to Japan, and we decided to take a.
And we have a stop here.
Yeah, we stop here for one week to see our friends. And continue.
So how about your impression about the Sri Lankan food?
I love the Sri Lankan food. It's the best, you know. I love the curries and all the diversity in foods, and there's so much to choose, you know, and everything is it's cheap and it's so delicious.
Is it spicy?
Sometimes a little bit spicy, but for us Europeans, it's sometimes too spicy, but still, you know, it's okay. We like that.
So how about the Sri Lankan food? Did you guys try?
Oh yes, we're loving it.
Curry.
Bit too spicy for us.
Yeah,
but we're getting there
slowly.
So what about the food? Is it too spicy?
No, you're good. It's
well,
delicious.
maybe people are cooking it for us, not spicy enough.
Yeah.
But yeah, delicious
The food is delicious. Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah, we were staying in a hotel this morning that was doing an English fry-up breakfast, and we were not happy with that.
It's good to have this genuine experience. I think like you could embrace your food and your culture and show people that off. It's nice.
Otherwise, what's the point of visiting Sri Lanka?
Yeah, like what's the point going for bacon and eggs if you can have Sri Lankan food?
Yeah.
What did we have here last night? Kotu?
Kotu.
That's a great night food, right? A lot of people like that. Did you guys like it?
Delicious.
So nice.
Really, really nice, yeah.
How about the food? Is it too spicy?
No, amazing. Amazing.
No, it's
super
okay.
good.
It's okay.
Super good food. Super good food.
What do you think about that ancient culture, ancient technology? What do you think about that?
Oh man, it's so impressive. You know, it's like one of the most impressive things I've ever seen. It's amazing how they yeah, right. It's just so beautiful.
All right. Thank you very much, guys. Enjoy your Sri Lankan journey.
Okay, thank you.
Someone who is hesitating to visit Sri Lanka, what is your message?
Absolutely come.
Just book the trip.
Just book the trip.
It is really worth.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much, guys.
Definitely worth it.
Thank you.
Other than the road traffic problem, what other things that the Sri Lankan government can do to enhance your experience?
Traffic.
Traffic.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's
I think
yeah.
more laws.
It's complicated, I think.
Or more laws maybe because people drive
Crazy.
as crazy. Yes.
Yeah, like
crazy.
they drive everywhere, but
Yeah. All right, guys. Thank you guys for your opinions and enjoy the rest of the day in Sri Lanka. Thank you very much. Thank you. So, as a government, what we can improve to develop the tourism industry in Sri Lanka? What was your suggestions?
It's hard to say, really. Like, we've had a great
Yeah.
time.
I know you guys don't like the road traffic. We can do
Well, we
nothing.
come from London, so we're actually quite used to that. So that's not a bother. That doesn't bother us.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah,
Yeah, I don't know.
everyone is like so willing to help you get around the cities
Yeah.
and stuff. So like, you definitely like the biggest asset is the people who are here,
Yeah.
and like the government supporting those people.
Yeah, they need to support them with
seems to be
wages.
the way
and-
to go. Yeah.
Right, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll be back with the next video. If you haven't subscribed to Under Sri Lanka, please subscribe. I'll be back with the next video. Thank you.